beside me, baka sakaling malimutang andyan ka pala. Kaso baka mahalata, it's a bad idea na iwasan ka. Paano na to? I guess all I know.
Unang ligaw, hindi mahanap yung transit. Hindi mo nakita natin sa tayo. Nasaan yun? Dito yun. Very Baguio City.
Did I really say that I'm so embarrassing? Di na malayang napansin na parang nagbago ang iyong pagtingin from the moment you asked me if
Yes, this is us nilalabanan ng lamig para maging aesthetic sa Baguio.
over to me. I gotta wake up from this dream. Is this love? I need to get this heart checked out. Forget about the cold, 'cause now I have your coat for the night. 'Cause I'm nilalamig. There's no turning back, I'll keep holding on to you. Di na malayang napansin. Our friends all accused me of making the first move, but all that I did was drop him one hint. I was taught to do love the old-fashioned way.
Is it? Okay. Ikaw umingay. Sabi niya, paano?
Uy, tangina, hindi ko na mahanap yung ano ko.
Is it a crime? Tayo na panty. Para kang walang vape, ganon.
Wala tayong tubig. Huwag na tayong gumanyan. Tayo tubig. Wala makain.
This is the part that you will enjoy.
Guys, DIY plancha. Kung wala kayong dalang plancha, pero may dala kayong hair straightener. Diba? Ganda muna. Ganda
Yes.
na kayo. Actually,
Our second outfit. Ayan na, ay, bagay siya.
bagay ah.
Bagay, ayan na.
Oo, eh.
Girls must hold back, so the boys find more reasons to stay. That's what they say. Tinapas ako para makanood ng sine.
Ay, wala siya.
Hawak kamay buong biyahe pauwi. I'm wearing a sweater and sing myself to sleep.
Time jackets were really 520. Ang lamig.
Wala akong jacket.
Tingnan mo. Jacket ko? Peach black. Oo, kumuha ka na ng jacket doon. Mamali dito ba tayo? Ay, yun. Ay,
And all I can say is
Guys, tayo ay paalis na na. Wednesday. Ayaw nga, pwede tayo.
Wait lang nga, mag-aalis ko.
check. Daanan na muna natin Victory tapos na. Laki ng Lucy oh.
Nursing.
Kakapasa din niya ng
Kasi Inquine.
tawag.
Yes! Diyan na ako.
Dito kaya. Iba ba? Yung iyo ka.
Thank you po so much.
Bye po. Ingat po kayo.
Thank you po.